Hey everyone, welcome back to Editing Basics. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Picsart in mobile. So let's begin. First of all, open your Play Store application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search bar. Tap on this. Now search Picsart. So as you can see, it pops up in the first. So as you can see, this icon with the P is the original one. Tap on it. Now hit install. So it will take some time to install. So Picsart is a AI photo editor and video editor where you can edit your images and video very easily. It also includes many AI features and makes it very easy to use. So after downloading it, you can just tap on open and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.